Good morning, students. Today we will see the activity sheet number 2. In this activity sheet, we have to study the Mendel's principles of heredity. Mendel's experiment of the monohybrid cross and Mendel's experiment of the dihybrid cross. For this, you have to refer the Standard 9 Chapter 16 Heredity and Variation. You can open the page number 184 from the textbook of the 9th standard. We have to understand the Mendel's experiment on monohybrid and dihybrid progeny and the principle of heredity. Also, we have to write the ratios of the genotype and the phenotype. Mendel brought about the cross between the two pea plant with only one pair of contrasting character, that is, he had considered the height of the plant, that is the tall plant and the dwarf plant, and this type of cross is called monohybrid. In this cross only one contrasting character is considered, so that it is called as a monohybrid. Mono means one. In the dihybrid cross, the two pairs of contrasting characters, they are under consideration. Mendel performed more experiments on hybridization, in which he considered more than one pair of contrasting characters. He brought about a cross between a pea plant producing rounded and yellow colored seed and the pea plant with the wrinkled and green colored seed. In this cross, the two pairs of contrasting characters, they were considered, that is the color of the seed and the shape of a seed. Hence, it is called as a dihybrid cross. Di means two. Two characters are considered here. Now we have to go through the practice. First question is given, that is write the names. This part you have to write in the notebook. Write names in a Mendel's monohybrid experiment in generation P1. P1 means the parental generation. Okay. And English letters used for a tall plant, that is a capital T. It is capital T. And the English letters used for the dwarf plant, that is small t. Small t. Capital T and small t. The next question. Write the names of dominant and recessive characteristics of human being in the following table. For this, you can refer the page number 184 from the textbook of our 9th standard. Dominant character, rolling tongue. Rolling tongue म्हणजे आपली जी जीभ आहे ती अशी गोल करता येणे, that is the dominant character. And the recessive character you have to write here, that is a non-rolling tongue. You can refer the textbook, non-rolling tongue. The second recessive character given, absence of hairs on arms, म्हणजे शरीरावर केसांचं प्रमाण कमी असणे. It is a recessive character. And the dominant character is, that is presence of hair on the arms. The third one is, that is black and curly hair. Black and curly hair is a dominant character. कुरळे केस, that is a dominant character. And the recessive character, that is brown and straight hair. Brown and straight hair. You have to write here in the blank space. You have to write. Then the next one is, that is recessive character is given, that is attached earlobe. म्हणजे कानाचे जे बाहेरचं जे इयर पिन्ना आहे हे काय असते, अटॅच असते. अटॅच्ड earlobe. And for this, the dominant character is, that is a free earlobe. Free earlobe. These are the characters which are present in the human being, and they are present in dominant or the recessive form. So this you have to write. Next question, write the correct answer in the blanks in a Mendel's experiment of monohybrid cross. Actually friend, all this you had already studied in the last year. Here only we are revising it. हे काय करत आहे, आपण ह्याची उजळणी घेत आहे, म्हणून तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी फक्त मी कशा प्रकारे लिहायचं आहे एवढं सांगणार आहे. ओके. सो द मेंडेल्स experiment of the monohybrid cross. For this, you can refer the page number 185 from the textbook. So here the phenotype tall and dwarf are given. Genotype given, that is capital T, small t, small t. The gametes are produced, that is capital T and small t. And now you have to write the first filial generation, that is F1 generation. After the fusion of this capital T and small t, the phenotype which is produced here is, that is capital T, small t. So in the blank space you have to write capital T and small t. Okay. Now the next is, that is here you have to write the cross is given, capital T small t and capital T small t. The first filial generation, if it is cross, selfing is done, then what type of genotype that we get? The first blank space, in the first blank space you can write capital T, because capital T from the male gamete and the small capital T is, it is also from the female gamete. So the first fill in the blanks is, that is capital T, capital T. The second one is, that is small t, small t. You can refer page number 185. Okay. Now the next question we have to see, question number 4. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. What is given? F2 pure dominant tall plant. F2 pure dominant plant, tall plant. Here as both the capital T are given, means both are in the homozygous condition. So we have to write here in the first blank space you have to write homozygous. You can refer the page number 186, homozygous. The second one is given, that is small t, both are small recessive but both are same, that is in the homozygous condition. Okay. Now the third one is F2 hybrid plant, capital T small t tall plant, but here one is a capital T and another one is a small t, means both are not same, so that they are called as a heterozygous. So you can write here the heterozygous condition. Okay. Now the next question, following table of Mendel's experiment of dihybrid cross and write the answer following questions. Now we have to see what are the questions. This cross you had already studied in the last year. Write the English letters for the gametes from the table above. Round yellow, for round yellow, what are the gametes? That is capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Also, if it is in the heterozygous condition, then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay. Second one is wrinkled yellow. For wrinkled, it is a recessive character, so small r, capital Y, capital Y. Second possibility, small r, capital Y, small y. Then the third one is round green. Round green. Yeah, the round green, for round, capital R, it is homozygous. If it is heterozygous, capital R, small r, capital R, small y, and capital R, small y, small y. And the last one is, that is wrinkled green. It is a homozygous recessive. So small r, small y, small y. हे सर्व तुम्ही मागच्या वर्षी शिकलेलं आहे. फक्त यावर्षी तुम्हाला ते लिहायचं आहे. Now we have to write the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross of Mendel is, that is 9:2:2:1. Overall 16 genotypes are produced, and they are in the combination of 9:2:2:1. Okay. And now write its genotypic ratio. You can write the genotypic ratio, you count it, which is given in the textbook page number 187, and I will tell you the genotypic ratio, that is 1:2:2:1:4:2:1:2:1. हे चुकायचं नाही. अगदी व्यवस्थित बघून तुम्ही टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये बघून हे सोडवायचं आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट नंबर 2 कंप्लीट करायची आहे. सर्वांनी व्यवस्थित नोटबुकमध्ये लिहायचं आहे. कुणाला काही अडचण असेल तर मला तुम्ही विचारू शकता. थँक्यू.